Hello, this is Carl Hicks. I'm with the Panasonic Pro Video Division. And here at the Alamo table today we have a couple of samples of our leading camcorders, the CX350 and the CX10. We also have on the right side three of our PTZ models, the UE4, HE42, and UE100. These are very popular industry-leading PTZ models. We also have a UE150 that's on the totem system that you may have seen a minute ago, over here to the right, to your far right. That's a UE150. Down here on the desk we've got one of our controllers, the RP60 manual controller, and I'm also showing on this laptop, auto tracking software. A lot of customers ask about, do we have auto tracking? Yes, we do. It's a Windows software-based application. Okay, and then over here we have an example of one of our studio production cameras. This is our EVA1 camera that is a cinema-grade camera that's outfitted in a studio configuration, so it gives more of a cinematic look to the video, which a lot of customers are asking for these days with shallow depth of field. And then we have full shading of this camera. Back over here on the table, we have full shading capabilities with the HRP250. So this is just one of several examples of studio production cameras that we have. We have many, many to choose from. That's about it for the Pro Video side. Thank you.